Welcome to this video, where we will guide you through the simple steps to disable cookies in the Chess.com app on your phone. Managing cookies is important for your privacy and helps control the data shared with the app. In this video, you will learn exactly how to adjust these settings quickly and easily. First, open the Chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the More button. Then, from the list that appears, tap on Settings. Then, find and tap on Privacy Settings to open the privacy controls available for your account. After entering privacy settings, scroll down carefully until you see the options for social media cookies, performance cookies, and targeting cookies. Here, you will want to turn off each of these cookie types by toggling the switches to the off position. This action stops the app from collecting unnecessary data. Finally, after you have disabled all these cookie options, look for the Confirm My Choice button and tap on it to save your new privacy preferences. This ensures that your choices are applied and that you have successfully limited cookie use within the app. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can easily manage and disable cookies in the Chess.com app, enhancing your privacy and control over your data.